Why use Afterpay WooCommerce integration is a common question among online store owners who want to offer flexible payment options to their customers. This integration allows customers to pay for purchases in installments, which can increase sales and improve customer satisfaction. To understand the benefits of this integration, let's break it down step by step. First, Afterpay is a popular payment service that allows customers to pay for purchases in 4 interest-free installments. WooCommerce, on the other hand, is a widely used e-commerce plugin for WordPress that enables online stores to manage their sales and inventory. When you integrate Afterpay with WooCommerce, you can offer your customers a seamless payment experience. Here's how it works. Customers simply select Afterpay as their payment method at checkout, and they are redirected to the Afterpay website to complete the payment process. The benefits of this integration are numerous. For one, it can increase sales by making purchases more affordable for customers. Additionally, it can reduce cart abandonment rates, as customers are more likely to complete a purchase when they have the option to pay in installments. Another key benefit is that it can improve customer satisfaction, as customers appreciate the flexibility and convenience of paying in installments. Moreover, this integration can also help to increase average order value, as customers are more likely to make larger purchases when they have the option to pay in installments. To get started with Afterpay WooCommerce integration, you need to install the Afterpay plugin on your WooCommerce store. This plugin is available for free and can be easily installed from the WordPress plugin directory. Once installed, you need to configure the plugin settings, including your Afterpay merchant ID and other details. In terms of best practices, it's essential to clearly communicate the terms and conditions of Afterpay to your customers. This includes the interest-free installment plan and any late payment fees that may apply. You should also ensure that your store meets the eligibility criteria for Afterpay, which includes having a valid business license and a secure payment gateway. In conclusion, integrating Afterpay with WooCommerce can be a game-changer for online store owners who want to offer flexible payment options to their customers. By following these steps and best practices, you can provide a seamless payment experience for your customers and increase sales and customer satisfaction. With its numerous benefits and ease of use, Afterpay WooCommerce integration is definitely worth considering for any online store owner.